Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, the day has come and today is the last day that I own. Last minute that I own this Suzuki Jimny. Yeah, I'm really going to miss it. Yeah, a car is similar to a person that you already love that somehow it's going to affect the feeling. Yeah, you're going to miss it. Yeah, that's what I am feeling at the moment. I'm going to miss it, but I have to let it go for another things that I want in my life. Yeah, already so many things that I put in here. Looks very beautiful every day. That's what I feel. That's how I feel about this car. But yeah, it's time to let go. Yeah, look at this. It always looks beautiful everywhere, every angle. I am actually going to give you a kiss. Bye. I am now here and I'm going to collect the new car. Yeah, which one do you think it is? This one? That one? That one? Or this Amarok? Yeah, this Amarok is bigger, higher, looks mightier. Yeah, B6 or this one. Bye bye. Yeah, so that's basically this is the last time that I'm going to see it, and this is going to be my new car. Yeah, this Volkswagen Transporter T6, and this is how it looks inside. Yeah, this is the other inside here. That is how it is at the back. And we are now here in Bunnings Warehouse.
Kaya driving na ito, okay, masigip lang sa amin. Alam mo, tamad yun, no? Ano sabihin mo, Robby? Ikaw, hindi ako na-meet namin.
Hi!
What's your name po, ate?
I'm Nora Ryland.
Saan po kayo? Taga saan po kayo sa Pilipinas?
Bicol.
Mga kalokohan na yun.
Hindi totoo nga. Vlogging ito. Ate, taga saan po kayo, Pasay?
Vlogging 101. Taga Tondo ako, yung dun sa bundok ng
Bundok ng Arayat.
Patundo.
Taga Tondo, Piskat. Taga Muntinlupa ako sa loob. Pakita mo din ako. Pakita mo rin naman daw siya.
Hi, Te. How are you?
Good, thank you. Hello. Ano lang?
Taga saan po kayo sa Manila? Ay, sa Pilipinas?
No, sa Zambales. Live in Castillejos. Yeah. Been in Australia for 7.5 years.
I look inside myself. Now I'm very sure there can only be you for me. I need you more and more. You hold me inside out and you show me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Yeah, all the love and I know that I show you. You're the only one, only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Olive oil, green beans. It's about only you. I don't know what is this, but it looks delicious. Yeah, at the moment we are here in the inside of the bun. Today is going to be the first time that I am going to do. It's like the beginning of my camper van conversion. So this is how it looks at the moment. Yeah, this is a Volkswagen T6 or Volkswagen Transporter T6. Yeah, 2018 model, and as you can see, this is originally a delivery van because of this divider, a protection for the driver. And the first thing that I'm going to do is to remove this. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put this after removing it from here. I am really trying to remove this on the corner, but yeah, it's impossible. Yeah, the good thing is I have this other kind of I don't know what you call this, and they have more here on the side. I really need to remove this because I'm actually going to Sydney today. Okay, I already removed everything, all the screw, but okay, still there is something on that. Let's check on the other side. Okay, I was able to remove this. I said to be removed, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And this is actually a special kind of screw. It's a star. Yeah, the good thing I have that this kind of a star kind of screw. Nice. Bravo. Dangerous, it's going to pull down. It's okay, there's nothing sensitive at the back. This is how it is. And that's it. Oh, well, look at that. Look on the other side, it's dirty here. And there are money, there are some coins. Yeah, there is 10, this 50 cents. Yeah, Queen Elizabeth. And there are some dollars. There is this kind of ball pen, screw, $2, $1. There is more, 5 cents. This is how much? I think this, I don't know how much is this. 20 cents. There is more. Yeah, this yeah, $1 and another $1. Oh, there is a key also. There is key. Some dirt. How about on the driver's side? Maybe there are also some on this driver's side. Actually, there are also some. There is this Queen Victoria also. Yeah, 5 cents. Dirt. Parking ticket. And that's it. Today is not the right time to clean it. So how much I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 60, 70, 80. 1, 2, 3, $580. So this is the lucky money, and I'm going to keep it. Yeah, here. Yeah, there is treasure in every dirty places. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to organize this back, and then I will be preparing to go to Sydney.